hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to High Heels Collection, the ultimate destination for every woman who loves style, elegance, and the beautiful confidence that comes with wearing high heels. In today's long and detailed fashion journey, we will take you through the world of stiletto heels, leather boots, winter boots, premium stilettos, pointed toe heels, platform styles, and luxury women's footwear that are trending across 2025. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who love fashion just like you. Your support means the world to us and it helps us bring you more high quality videos every day. So now let's begin today's deep dive into the world of high heels fashion where elegance meets power and beauty meets confidence. High heels are more than just shoes, they are a statement, an expression, a form of art, and a symbol of feminine strength. For centuries, heels have evolved from classic thin stilettos to bold platform designs, from soft suede boots to sleek leather long boots, from simple slip-on moles to glamorous ankle-strap stilettos. Every pair tells a story of elegance, glamour, and modern fashion. In today's video, we will explore trending heel designs for 2025, new winter leather boots for style-focused women, luxury pointed toe stilettos, everyday wearable high heels, and the latest fashion update from around the world. Whether you are a fan of sharp stilettos, chunky heels, leather long boots or sleek moles, you will find something here that inspire you. Stilettos are the heart of high heel fashion. Their shape, design, and elegance make them the most popular choice among women who want to look graceful and confident. In 2025, the trending stiletto styles include pointed toe stilettos, a classic style that never gets old, perfect for office wear, for formal parties, high-end events, date nights, evening dinners, transparent heels, crystal stilettos. These styles give a magical glamour effect under lights. They look extremely elegant at wedding and special occasions. Metallic gold, silver stilettos. These heels are trending worldwide for their bold and modern appearance, perfect for parties, fashion events, night out outfits. Nude soft pastel stilettos, a soft and minimal look that makes legs appear longer and more elegant. Stilettos are not just shoes, they are a symbol of sophistication, beauty, and luxury. Leather boots, premium style for modern women. Leather boots are one of the most powerful stiletto statements a woman can wear, from ankle boots to knee heel leather boots. Each type carries a unique sense of boldness. In these sections, we explore black leather high heel boots, elegant, timeless, and bold, perfect for winter fashion. Pointed to leather boots are a must-have item for women who love sharp, classy looks. Long knee-high boots. These boots instantly elevate your winter outfit. Ideal for casual winter days, outings, fashion shoots, daily city life. Brown leather boots, soft, warm, and beautiful textured, perfect for everyday style. Winter boot trends of 2025. Winter 2025 is full of stylish high heel boots such as four-lined long boots, black heel winter boots, fashion-forward lace-up boots, soft suede pointed boots, elegant leather platform boots. Women prefer winter boots because they are both stylish and comfortable, especially in cold weather. The comfortable fashion choice moles have become one of the hottest trends of the year. Women love moles because they are easy to wear, stylish and elegant, perfect for summer and indoor parties, available in hundreds of trend colors and designs. From transparent stiletto molds to embellished fashion molds, 2025 has brought the most elegant designs ever. Why women love high heels? High heels make women feel taller, more confident, stylish, attractive, elegant, empowered. High heels change how you walk, how you stand, how you feel about yourself. This is why high heels remain the number one fashion choice of millions of women worldwide. Daily wear high heels, comfort meets style. Not all heels are meant for events. Some are made for daily use. 2025 daily wear heels trends include low stilettos, soft padded moles, comfortable black heels, everyday office stilettos, slap on pointed moles. This collection gives women a comfort plus elegance at the same time. Elegant evening heels perfect for glamour nights. For evening events, women prefer glitter stilettos, stone embellished heels, gold and silver metallic designs, crystal top stilettos. These heels make your outfit grow beautifully under lights. Wedding engagements and formal events require luxury heels. Trending luxury style includes bridal crystal heels, pearl decorated stilettos, lace design heels, limited editions designer stilettos. These pairs turn any woman into the highlight of the event. Complete fashion guide for heel lovers. In the next sections of this voiceover, to walk confidently in high heels, best tips to select the right heel, color trends of heels in 2025, which heels match which outfits, full styling tips for winter, summer, formal and party wear, trending fashion accessories with heels, how to maintain and clean leather boots, how many heels every woman should have, complete collection breakdown for professional women, new runway trends, and a full detailed fashion conclusions. As we move deeper in today's detailed fashion journeys, let's explore the world behind high heels, how they are designs, how women style them, and why these iconic shoes continue to dominate the global fashion industry. Even in 2025, high heels are more than an accessory. They transform an entry outfit. A simple dress becomes stunning, a casual look becomes elegant, and an ordinary moment becomes special. Today's segment covers the physiology, styling, wardrobe, planning, color theory, and fashion principle behind heels and boots design, especially for the viewers of high heels collections. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the next luxurious chapters of our fashion journey. How high heels are designed behind the fashion. Designing a perfect pair of heels is an art. It begins with choosing the heel height, selecting premium materials, shaping the pointed toe, balance testing, comfort padded, heel grip elegant, arch support testing. A good heel is not just beautiful,